day all, welcome to Bridge LCS. Today's topic that we are going to be discussing about is trial balance. This is one of the important sections in accounts part. Go to finance and choose balance analysis. You can find two options. First one is trial balance and second one is trial balance detailed. The first one gives you the summary of accounts and the second one gives you the data in detail. Let's quickly go through both of the sections. Select the period in which you are reviewing the data and click on submit. As you can see, all the type of accounts like asset, liabilities and equities are grouped into different sections. You can also find the list of accounts belonging to each of them under each section. The basic details provided in the table are the account description, account number, net debit and net credit. You can also view the voucher details here. Let's say if you want to check the loans provided to your employees, click on loans to employees from asset section. You will get the list of vouchers involved along with the amount. Click on the voucher number as per your requirement. This is how the payment voucher looks like. You can also get the total credit and debit involved in this particular section. If you want to filter this further, you can use this filter option provided at the top. Select the required period and click on submit. Similarly, the liabilities and equity works. If you come to the trial balance detailed section, you will get the balance in three different parts like opening balance, period transactions and closing balance. Whereas the previous section had net credit and net debit, this is the only difference between the normal trial balance and the trial balance detailed section. Remaining features available are similar to each other. The working of trial balance and trial balance detailed section is same. The only difference is the way that the credit and debit amount is displayed. If you want to print the trial balance, you can use the option provided here. This is how the report looks like. These are the features that are available in this part. The remaining features will be covered in a new video. Thank you for watching.